Description: Dualsenses provides instantly visible and touchable results in a self-explanatory assortment with appealing fragrances. Benefits: Intantly increases combability and restores natural elasticity. Suggested use: Work through wet or toweled dried hair. Leave in for 60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Top reviews from the United States. It makes your hair so soft. I love this product. It takes only a little of it to make your hair conditioned and soft. Great product. Leaves hair feeling clean and healthy.